October 28th, year 2017. The Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. My dear daughters, thank you for spending time with me this morning. There's much I wish to share with you, my little ones. I and I alone know the deepest desires of each of your hearts, and I know that which you are confronted with on a daily basis. Joy is constant, my daughters, and cannot be affected by that which is of the exterior. When you come to the wellspring within, you will find I am here, waiting for you to open your hearts to me. There's so much you have learned these past years, and when you continue to seek counsel with my spirit, you will grow in your understanding, my little ones. There are no coincidences, my daughters, and yes, those who are placed in each of your lives have a distinct purpose. When you reflect on those who you are surrounded by, do not think about what you can give them, but what it is you are meant to learn. Yes, Jillian, I spoke to you about how one behaves is a reflection of that which comes from within. Trust me when I tell you, no man is an island unto himself, and all are responsible for how they respond to one another. Those who rely on me, those who have humbled themselves before me, rely on me to guide them, to temper them, and yes, to see through my eyes that which needs attending to. How one behaves then is a reflection of their relationship with the divine. You see then how one relates with my spirit will affect how one relates with others. The stronger our relationship becomes, the less you will be affected negatively by that which is of the exterior. Webster defines relate as to understand and like, or to have sympathy for someone or something. True joy is experienced when one truly understands the root cause of one's own emotions. Until one truly acknowledges that which creates barriers to their higher consciousness, they will unduly be affected by the actions of others. To give unconditionally, one must understand the basis for those emotions which create barriers to our relationship. Never forget, my daughters, where your true source of joy comes from. When one then understands the basis for their own emotions, they can absolve that which holds them and keeps them experiencing all that I desire for each of my children. Do that, my daughters, which you are enthusiastic about. Share this enthusiasm with all who cross your path. True joy is contagious and knows no boundaries. Do not let others rain on your parade. It is through this willingness to share that which you are enthusiastic about, you allow my light to shine. This, my daughters, then is how others are inspired. Yes, my daughters, it is in the sharing of one's gifts and talents my presence will be felt. Yes, this, my daughters, is divine inspiration. Acknowledge then those feelings which keep you from embracing that which is placed before you. People, places, and things come and go, while I will always be here to guide you. To create with the Creator opens doors for higher expression. Let then your energy flow freely, and you will encourage others to do the same. What is freely given will then be freely received. Give unto others as I have given unto you. Laughter, my daughters, is contagious, and is the antidote for that which depletes a joy-filled heart. You are my joy givers. You, my daughters, must exemplify that which inspires others to absolve those emotions which keep them from experiencing the treasures that await all who rely on me. Rejoice then, for this is the day the Lord hath made. My love knows no boundaries. Ask yourselves then, what are you truly inspired to do? What are you enthusiastic about? You are smiling, thinking of the puppets. Remember, true joy is contagious, my daughters. Thank you, dear ones, for responding to my call.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 102 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, our original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, your family, or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you and your family in these times.